With our ProStation receiver, what I can do here is I can actually turn on the machine, switch it from our number 1 soap to our number 2 soap, back to rinse, without having to go back to the machine, making the job more efficient.
I will now switch the machine back to rinse, wait for a moment, then back to number 2 so that I can tell where the number 2 starts in the line. I will switch the machine back to rinse. That's the power of two-step. Now, for those of you who think that high pressure would just take off the dirt and road film, let's see. Well, that proves it. You can take off most of the dirt, but you will not remove the road film without HCS two-step detergents first.